In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Slack to Claude. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left and extend your sidebar and then click on Customize. From here, you want to click on Connect Your Apps, and here you want to search for Slack. So just type in Slack, there we go. And then from here, you can click on this plus button, and you'll be able to then basically grant access to Slack. So it's going to open this in a separate tab here, and it's going to prompt you to actually sign in. I've signed in already to my Slack account. So here, I can select my workspace, only one that I have, and then from here, of course, you can manage your permissions. I'm just going to leave this like it is, and I'm going to click on the allow button bottom right. After this, it's going to start loading for a few seconds, and then it's going to take you back to Claude, where as you can see, it says connected to Slack. And if I now go to connectors, top left, I can see Slack over here. I can manage permissions, approvals, stuff like that. I can disconnect and then also view details, which allows me to basically see what all I can do with Slack. So here you have like different tools. You have like Slack send message. You can search, you can go and search users, channels, etc. Okay, so that's essentially how you do this. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.